We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb to know. In the past tense of the verb to know is pronounced as knew. The K is always silent, of course. Knew. As in, I knew this was a bad idea. An example of sentence. The participle is pronounced as known. 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 An example of sentence would be, I have known this secret for a long time. Known. Overall, to know, knew, known. Know, knew, known. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. It helps a lot. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn all the pronunciations of all irregular verbs most common in English. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.